Hi everybody, it's Nicole of 20 Something Planner. Welcome back to my channel, although I should really be welcoming myself back to my channel. It's been so long since I've uploaded a video and I apologize for my absence. It's been about 2 months since I actually uploaded and I feel like it's been so much longer than that. But I had fully intended on doing a video and kind of like announcing a very small hiatus, but unfortunately I never got around to that, so I apologize. I fully intend to start making videos on a more regular basis. It might take me a little while to get into the swing of things, especially in the early month of November or the earlier part of November. I have a bunch of family coming to visit and they'll be occupying the room that I film in, but I'll try as hard as I can to get videos filmed ahead of time so I can kind of just keep like an arsenal of content in my back pocket. But there are multiple reasons for the hiatus. I'll keep it short, but pretty much my work life was spilling into my personal life, and then filming and maintaining my channel was spilling into my social life, so I just found it really hard to balance everything that I had going on. So that is why I stopped filming for a little bit there. I also very recently adopted a puppy. If you have been following me on social media, you might have picked that up. But yeah, I adopted a dog actually the day before the start of this week. So on the 16th, I had adopted a puppy from an adoption event at a PetSmart from a local organization. He was kind of I won't say drunk purchase, he was a buzzed purchase. I had gone to a place for brunch prior to stopping by the PetSmart. Like I was just like casually going to PetSmart. No, my mom had kind of spilled the beans about the event, so I went over to the PetSmart after about 5 mimosas, and I ended up taking home a dog. But it was something that Marvin and I had talked about for a really long time, and if you can hear any squeaking in the background, I apologize, but he loves his squeaky toys. We ended up naming him Tucker. His paperwork says that he's a boxer mix, but that is totally inaccurate. He's definitely some sort of hound lab mix. He's so adorable. I love him so much. But yeah, I've just been spending a lot of time with him. I'm kind of training him and bonding with him. He was with the family prior to us, but they didn't give him back because of any, misbehavior or anything like that. I think it was the father was really, really allergic to him. So they had to bring him back to the organization. But I saw his little face at the adoption event and I just couldn't not take him home. So Marvin wasn't even with me at the time, actually, my fiance. He was working and I called him, I sent him pictures, and he said it was okay to bring him home. So I did, and we couldn't be happier. But anyway, that's kind of my backstory. Sorry for rambling, but I just wanted to give you guys some sort of explanation. Like I said, I am going to try my best to get on a more consistent uploading schedule. I also kind of fell into a planner rut. I feel like while I love my Erin Condren, there are aspects of it that I dislike, and same thing with my B6. I love the inserts that I use, but it pains me to no end that I can't keep all of my month-to-month inserts in the same place, that I have to kind of keep replacing the inserts every 2 months. I don't mind printing and cutting them every 2 months. It's just the fact that I can't flip through an entire year like you would be able to do so with an Erin Condren, which brings me to my desire for rings now. I know the personal wide is a really popular planner, but I'm gonna hold out and see if someone comes out with a B6 rings, because the B6 size is really ideal. I love the inserts that I used for them, so I am just holding out and seeing if we can make that happen. Someone out there, please create a B6 rings. I think I would find like ultimate planner piece with that planner. But anyway, I don't even think I've talked about like what I'm planning for, what kit I'm using, or anything like that. I'm doing a rewind plan for the week of September 17th in my Erin Condren. I'm using a kit by HelloPetitePaper. This is the Pretty Girls kit, and I used it for my sister's birthday week. Her birthday was the 17th, and it was the kickoff to fall. Not that this like kit screamed fall, but I just thought the colors were really pretty, and a good kind of dual kit to use for this week. I had every other week planned in my Erin Condren for the week of for the month of September, and I didn't want to leave this blank, so I figured I'd film it and kind of ease back into making videos again. So I apologize if it's a little choppy and the lighting's a little off. I gotta work on it, but I just wanted to ease into it. Like I said, so far I've just put down the 2 strips of washi at the bottom, the headers that came with the kit, and I did pull in some rose gold foiled headers from Sadie Stickers. I will be using rose gold foil throughout this kit. I just thought it complemented the kit really nicely. Right now I'm just putting together my sidebar, which is nothing new. I just typically track my work hours, and then I'll keep some sort of running list for personal items, Happy Mail, things like that. I did end up putting down date covers. Those are from Rose Colored Days. The clear date dots are also from Rose Colored Days as well. And then I think my camera cut out, or I was like doing something funky with the lighting. But anyway, I just ended up layering a flag from the kit and a mini flag from Clever Gal Crafts in rose gold to mark a schedule change for one of my employees. And then I put a half box down from the kit, and I pulled in a happy birthday sticker that was hand lettered by Jasenia of the Planner Sophisticate. And then the sticker, it was from My Newest Addiction. I put that down to mark my sister's birthday. Next, I'm going in with a quarter box from Sadie Stickers. These are so beautiful. They have a marble background, and then they're lined with a rose gold foil, and then they have a little bow up top. I just used that to mark something I wanted to work on at work. And then I'm pulling in a Planning World icon to mark that I had to pick up a cake for my sister on the way to my mom's house. My mom did cook my sister's birthday dinner, which was really nice. So my fiance and I, and then my sister and I's godparents were there. We had dinner at home. I brought my dog to meet my mom's dog, and it was really funny. They got along well though, which I'm really happy about. So they can be like best cousins. Anyway, moving on to Tuesday. That home sticker, by the way, with the heart icon is from My Newest Addiction. Moving on to Tuesday, I put down a half box and a foiled script sticker from Arctic Paper Company that says work. It was my 6th work anniversary at the company that I work for, so I did want to mark that. And then above that, I just placed a laptop down for, again, just some items that I needed to work on for work. That laptop is from Tickled Pink Planning. And then I pulled in a couple of check marks from CD stickers, and they are rose gold foil. They're so cute and so functional. CD Stickers offers a variety of different types of little icons like that. I think she has like asterisks and hearts, and they just come in handy. I find myself reaching for them a lot. But I just pulled in 2 to mark a couple of things and meetings I had to schedule. And then below that, I put down a flag from the kit to mark a meeting that I had. And then I did have a brief call on this day as well. So I just pulled in the phone icon from the kit. On Wednesday, I pulled in a half box and I layered a Cessa V sticker over top of it. I'm really upset. I just went to go to her website and I noticed that she doesn't have any stickers available for sale. I'm not sure if that's been a thing for a while now, but I love these little like flag stickers. I just placed one over top of the half box that says schedule because I did end up having to cover for one of my employees that day. I had to schedule a lunch for a meeting that was occurring that day as well, so I took a little pack lunch sticker. I thought that was cute to mark the lunch I had at order, and that sticker is from Planning Sanctuary. Next, I'm putting down another flag from the kit. I do end up replacing it though because I just felt like there was a lot of purple going on the next section and I wanted to pull in a different color, but I just used that to mark a project I had to start on at work. And then I placed another My Newest Addiction heart icon at the bottom with a TV on it to mark that I wanted to watch American Horror Story or remind myself that it was on. And then I pulled in a little bow clip from HelloPetitePaper. That was from a separate bow sheet that I had ordered to remind myself that I needed to print a return item or a label for an item I needed to return. Moving on to Thursday, I am just whiting out the dates on the page and placing down the date covers. For Thursday, I started with a little quarter box with a strip of glitter on the side, and I layered a gold foiled coffee cup from Planning World. Over top of that, I had an early morning meeting that I needed to attend. And then I am going to, in a second, be pulling in a bow clip from CD Stickers just to mark that I wanted to remind myself to check in and follow up on something at work. And then I'm pulling in a rose gold foiled arrow from My Newest Addiction and layering it with a heart icon from the kit. One of my coworkers had to put her dog down, so I wanted to just remind myself to grab a card for her. I've had to do that before and it's so sad. But anyway, moving on towards the end of the day, when I got home from work, I stopped at Petco to just pick up a couple of things for Tucker. So I put down a flag from the kit and I layered a foiled paw print from J'adore Planning next to it. And then I think Marvin and I just went out for dinner that night, so I just placed down a half box. I didn't decorate it with anything there, so I just placed that at the bottom of the day on Thursday. Now I am pulling in something to mark breakfast. Sadie Stickers has the cutest little assortment of stickers in her shop, so I pulled in this macaroon sticker to mark a breakfast meeting that I had, and I thought it fit in really well with the kit, so I thought it was perfect to use for that. I did have a call following that meeting, so I placed a Planning World cell phone icon underneath that. I did grab another Sadie Stickers little quarter box there with the rose gold bow to mark, I don't remember, I think just a task that I had to complete for work. And I loved that flag layering so much that I did it again. I kind of paraded Tucker around to each of my offices on Friday. I went home after my breakfast meeting and I grabbed him and I took him to a couple of the offices that we have that I work for, and then I ended up ultimately taking him to our admin building where he kind of just chilled out. I placed a little envelope sticker from Station Stickers under that to mark a return I had to make. And then at the bottom of the day, Marvin and I took Tucker to a winery that was dog friendly. So I placed a little foiled wine glass from Planning World and another foiled icon from Planning World. Actually, both those stickers are from Planning World. The same sheet, that heart is from the same sheet that I grabbed the coffee cup from. I needed to take a bunch of Instagram photos on Saturday, so to mark that, I just grabbed a marbled half box from Sadie Stickers. It's the same design as the quarter box that I used earlier. I had done a lot of planner catch up that day, so I pulled in a TN sticker from the Fox and Pip to mark that as well. I also got a lot of cleaning done this day. I like to clean my house on Saturday so that Sunday I can kind of just chill and relax. That cleaning sticker is from, I'm trying to think, I think Peaceful Mind Designs, but I thought the colors worked really well with the kit, and it had a little Myers bottle of cleaner. I thought that was really cute. And then I also got a lot of laundry done this day, so I pulled in a Planning World icon to mark that. I had a pretty lazy Sunday morning, so I pulled in this little Fox and Pip girl in her robe with her coffee cup. I think she is so precious. So I just kind of lounged around for most of the morning, and then I did go grocery shopping. So I'm pulling in this really adorable foiled shopping cart from Planning World and just placing that over a strip of washi. I kind of just let that speak for itself. And then I'm going in with a half box. I've been making chili every Sunday evening, and I love it. So I just placed a half box down to mark that I did some meal prepping, and I pulled in this little cute cooking mitt from White Deer Stationery. Just placed that on the side there. I did some organizing on Sunday morning as well, just like my bedside tables. I got a lot of like crap cleared out of them. So I pulled in that really adorable sticker from Sadie Stickers from the sheet that I had pulled out earlier. And then that wrapped up this spread. I think it turned out beautifully. I was a little worried that it was going to look a little too cluttered, but I think once I wrote everything in, I think it turned out really nicely. Here is a shot of all of the foil goodness. I haven't used rose gold foil in the longest time. I think it turned out really pretty. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy to be back, and I will chat with you guys in my next video. Bye.